Dumami ang mga hindi nagtitiwala kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, lalo na sa Mindanao, base sa survey ng Pulse Asia.
Hindi pa uwi ng bansa si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos para manood muli ng Formula 1 Grand Prix sa Singapore. Nasa Singapore.
Mahigit 900% ang itinaas ng gastos sa biyahe ng Office of the President nung sumipa yan sa mahigit 403 million pesos noong 2022 mula sa mahigit 36 million pesos noong 2021.
10.645 billion pesos ang kabuang pondo para sa Office of the President o OP. Sa pondong yan, 2.25 billion pesos ang confidential funds at 2.30 billion naman ang intelligence funds.
Kinwestiyon sa Kamara ang mahigit 1 bilyong pisong budget para sa mga biyahe ng Pangulo abroad sa taong 2024.
Kinwestiyon ng ilang mambabatas kung bakit nasimot ang confidential at intelligence funds ng Office of the President noong isang taon.
Kung ang OVP tinanggalan na ng confidential funds, ang Office of the President naman halos 5 bilyong piso ang nakalusot na confidential at intelligence funds.
The Filipino people really want to know, from your 8 overseas trips in the last 7 months, how much have you spent per trip? Indonesia, Singapore, when you went to Europe, to China, and here in Davos, and the number of people in your official and unofficial entourage list. Para lang klaro po sa ating mamamayang Pilipino.
Well, I don't have the figures. I'm sure their figures are somewhere. But
Pero will it eventually be revealed, Mr. President?
well,
for the Filipino people.
Once we've calculated everything, because this last trip, of course, was just we just finished during the weekend, and we came back on Saturday. So on terms of the cost, the way I see it, you have to look at it as ROI. Do we bring something back or do we not? If you say, I don't know, as I said, I don't know the exact figures of the cost and everything. But, for example, we came back from China with pledges of 22 billion. Let's say we get actual out of that 1 billion. Bawing-bawi lahat ng 8 trips. Finished. That's the idea.
Meanwhile, Investment Corporation President Rafael Consing Jr. na wala pang foreign investments na pumapasok sa korporasyon mula sa mga biyahe abroad ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.